الدرس الرابع. الحروف المتحركة. الحركات: فتحة، كسرة، ضمة. الحروف هي الحروف في الدرس الأول. الحركات هي الفتحة والكسرة والضمة. Added to the حروف in lesson 1, that is الحروف المتحركة. The way we do it is first we pronounce the name of the letter. First one is Hamza. We say Hamza. We write down the Hamza. Then we add the haraka, fatha. Then we say A. Hamza, fatha, A. Again, we say the name of the letter, Hamza. Then we put a kasra over here. The Hamza comes here. And a kasra. Then we say I. We say the name of the letter, the haraka. Then we pronounce it the way we pronounce it, the Hamza. A, I. Again, we say the name of the letter Hamza. We put the Dhamma. We say U. A, I, U. Second is going to be this one. Ha. Do you see over here the ha? This is the name of the letter. We say ha, but we write how it's supposed to be over here, which is this way. But we write it this way, but we pronounce it in the beginning. We say it. We say the name of it. So we say ha. Then we add the haraka here, fatha. Then we say ha. That's how we're supposed to read it. Ha. Ha, fatha, ha. Then we go to the second one over here. Again, we say ha, the name of the letter, like over here. Then we say ha, and then we have the haraka is a kasra. We say he. That's how we're supposed to say it. He. Ha, he. The last one, we say the name ha, but we write down. We say ha, dhamma, hu. Ha, he, hu. We do not say ha, he, hu. It become mad. So we say ha, he, hu. Hamza, ha, fathaha, ha, kasrahi, ha, he, ha, dhammahu, ha, he, hu. The third one is the ayn. Ayn is over here in this box. How do we say it? Ayn. First we write ayn. This is how we write the ayn. We say ayn. We write it this way, and then we put the haraka. The first haraka is going to be over here is a fatha. Ayn, fatha, a. The next one, ayn, kasra, I, a, I. The third one, ayn, dhamma, u, a, I, u. Next is the ha. Ha. Over here. This is the name of it. So we write ha, fatha, ha, fatha, ha, ha, kasra, hi, ha, hi, ha, dhamma, hu, ha, hi, hu. So each letter we're gonna write it we're gonna say it with a fatha, we're gonna say it with a kasra, and we're gonna say it with a dhamma. Okay. Next one is gonna be the غين. And where can we find the غين? The غين, which is حرف مفخم, it's over here. This is how we say it. غين, غين. We say غين, the name of the letter. غين. We add فتحة غ. Again, غين. كسرة غي. غ غي. غين. ضمة غو. غ غي غو. Next one is the خ. خ is حرف مفخم. خ. Where is the خ? خ is over here. We say خ. That's the name of the letter. خ. We add the فتحة. خ فتحة خ. خ كسرة خي. خ خي. خ ضمة خو. خ خي خو. خ is حرف مفخم. The next حرف is قاف. This is how we call it. قاف, the name of it. Over here is the قاف. You see it over here? It's قاف. That's the name of it over here. Okay? Take it out. قاف, the name. We write down, this is how we write قاف. We add the فتحة, which is over here. فتحة. قاف فتحة ق. قاف كسرة قي. ق قي. Okay, just have to fix this better. قاف ضمة قو. ق قي قو. ق قي قو. We don't say ق قي قو. It becomes mad. ق قي قو. And قاف حرف مفخم. Next is كاف. Where's the كاف? Is over here. And as you see, this is how the name of the كاف is written. That's the name. Okay, so we write the كاف. كاف. Then we write the حركة, which is the فتحة. We say كاف فتحة ك. We write the كاف. We put the حركة, which is a كسرة. كاف كسرة كي. ك كي. Then again we write the كاف. We put the حركة ضمة. ك كاف ضمة كو. ك كي كو. ك كي كو. Next letter is the جيم. جيم. Where's the جيم? It's over here. It's written like this. The name of it. جيم. But the way we write it and we say it is over here جيم. We take the فتحة. فتحة. جيم فتحة ج. Then we do again the جيم with كسرة جي. ج جي. Then جيم with ضمة. جيم ضمة جو. ج جي جو. Next is شين. This is شين. And the name is written over here. That's how we say it. شين. We write it like this. شين. We add the فتحة. فتحة شين فتحة ش. Then we write the sheen. We add the كسرة. We say شين كسرة شي ش شي. Then we write the sheen again. We add to it the ضمة. It looks like a wow, but it's a small, it's written like a wow, but it's in a small shape, and we put it over the letter. Okay, it's a ضمة. This is a ضمة. Okay, so شين ضمة شو ش شي شو ش شي شو. Next is the yeah, and we have the yeah over here. This is a yeah, usually comes at the end, the bottom of the letter, at the end of the word, and it's written as a حرف مد extra. Okay, it's a yeah صغيرة. Okay, now we go to this yeah. Do you see how we write this yeah? This is how we pronounce the name of the yeah. So it's yeah. How we say it? Yeah, the name of it. How we write it down? Like this. Yeah, and we use the فتحة. Yeah, فتحة يا. Yeah, كسرة ي يا ي. Yeah, ضمة يو يا ي يو. Next is ضاد ضاد, which is this one. See how it's written? Like this. That's the name of it. And we do over here قلقلة. So we say ضاد ضاد. Okay? So we say ضاد فتحة ض ض ضاد كسرة ضي ض ضي. Then we write again ضاد ضمة ضو ض ضي ضو ض ضي ضو. ضاد is حرف مفخم, a strong letter. Next is lamb. Lamb. This is lamb, as you see here. This is how we say it, the name of it. Lamb. The way we write that is lamb. Then we add the فتحة. We say lamb فتحة لا. لام كسرة لي لا لي. Then لام ضمة لو لا لي لو. Next letter is the noon. Noon. And the noon is over here. And this is how it's written. The name of the letter. Noon. The way we write that. Noon. Then we add the فتحة. We say نون فتحة ن. نون كسرة ني ن ني. Then again we add the ضمة. We say نون ضمة نو ن ني نو. Next letter is the raw. Raw. The raw is over here, as you see, raw. Okay, we write, that's how we say it, that's the name of it. So it's raw, the name of it. Okay, how we say write it down is raw. Then we add the فتحة. raw فتحة را. حرف مفخم, a strong letter. raw كسرة ري. را ري. را ضمة رو. را ري. Ru. Next is the letter Ta. Over here. This is how it's written. Ta. That's the name. This is the name in the corner, okay? So that's how we say it. Ta. We write Ta. Let's erase this. Ta. Fatha. Ta. Ta. كسرة. طي. Ta. طي. Ta. ضمة. طو. Ta. طي. طو. Ta. طي. طو. And that's حرف مفخم. Next letter is the dal, and over here is the dal. As you see in the corner, it's written dal. That's the name. That's how we say it. Dal. We do dal. We write it like this. This is the name of it. This is how we write it down. Then we add the fatha. We say dal, fatha, da, dal, fatha, da, dal, كسرة دي, da, di. Then dal, ضمة, do, da, di, do. Next to the dal is ta. Ta. Over here is the ta. See the ta, the name of it, of the letter? Ta. That's the name. This is how we write the letter. This is how we just pronounce it, okay? We say ta. Now we say ta. We add the fatha. We say ta, fatha, ta. Ta. كسرة تي. تا تي. Then تا. ضمة تو. تا تي تو. We do not say ta. Ta. We only say that if it has a sukun. Ta with a sukun. We say ta. Other than that, we always say ta. Ta ti tu. Next letter is the صاد. صاد. This is the صاد. صاد. This is a قلقلة. Okay? صاد. So now how do we write that? صاد. We add the فتحة. فتحة ص. ص. حرف مفخم. Strong. ص. Then صاد. كسرة صي. صي. ص. صي. Then we do the last حركة. صاد. ضمة. صو. صو. ص. صي. صو. Next letter is the sin. Sin. This is the sin from lesson 1, of course. And this is how we say it, the name of it. Sin. We only say the name. We do not write the sin like this. This is how we write the sin. But this is its name, like over here in this box. Sin. We add the fatha. Sin, fatha, sa. Sin. كسرة سي. س. سي. سين. ضمة سو. س. سي. سو. س. سي. سو. Next is ز. the letter Z. Z is over here from lesson 1, and this is how we say the name of it. Z. Z. We do not write it like this. This is only name. Okay? When we say it, we say Z. So how do we write that? This is, okay, we could do it like this. You could do it like this. It doesn't matter. It's just like different ways of writing it. So we just write it the way we usually gonna write it down. This is how we're gonna write it down usually. Z, and we have the fatha, kasra, and dhamma. First we use the fatha. Z, fatha, Z. Z, kasra, Z. Z, Z. Z, dhamma, zu. Z, Z, zu. Next is the letter ظا. ظا. ظا is حرف مفخم. This is the ظا. And this is how we say it. ظا. That's the name of it. How we write the ظا is like this. ظا. This is again name. All the letters written on the top left corner, it's the name, how we say it. We say ظا, but we write it like this. Okay? Okay. So ظا, and we're gonna add the fatha. ظا, fatha, ظا. ظا, كسرة, ظي, ظا, ظي. Then ظا, ضمة, ظو, ظا, ظي, ظو. ظا, ظي, ظو. And you have to know the difference between the ظا and the ضاد. ضاد is like this one. This is over here. It's ضاد, ظا, ظا, ضاد, ضاد, ظا, ظا. Next letter is the ذال. ذال. ذال is over here. And this is how we say the ذال. ذال. Let me fix it. ذال. That's the name. That's how we say it. We write it down like this. ذال. We write it down like this, and we say it like this. Okay? ذال. Okay? فتحة. ذا. ذال. كسرة. ذي. ذا. ذي. ذال. ضمة. ذو. ذا. ذي. ذو. Next letter is ف. ف. This is ف. Okay, this is how we read it. ف. The name. How we say it. We write it down like this. We say ف, and that's how we write it down. We add the fatha. We say ف, fatha, ف. ف, كسرة, في, ف, في. ف, ضمة, ثو, ف, في, ثو. Next letter is the ف. 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 ف is over here. And this is the name of it. ف. This is how we say it. ف. The way we write it down is ف. We add the fatha. ف, fatha, ف. ف, كسرة في ف في فا ضمة فو ف في فو ف في فو. Next letter is the واو. واو, soft letter, مرقق. واو, we don't say wow, we say واو. We put, this is the واو in lesson 1, the name of it, as you see over here, واو. Wow. The way we write it down is this way. We say wow, then we add the fatha. Wow, fatha, wa. Wow. Kasra, wi, wa, wi. Wow. Dhamma, wu, wa, wi, wu. Next one is the letter ba. Ba. This is the ba from lesson 1, and this is the name of it. This is how we write the name of the ba. We say ba, ba. We don't say ba, just touching the lips. We say ba, ba, soft, okay? But the way we say it is ba. This is how we write it down. And then we add the fatha. We say, it's probably too far. Ba, fatha, ba. Ba, kasra, bi, ba, bi. Ba, dhamma, bu, ba, bi, bu. The last letter in this lesson is the meme. Harf meme. Meme is over here. Lesson 1. This is how we say the name of the meme. Meme. Okay? Meme. That's the name of it. This is how we say it. But when we write it down, this is how we write it down. We could write it like this, or we could write it like this. Okay, like this one. So they both are memes. So that's meme and meme. Huruf, same harf, different way of writing the meme. Okay, so we're gonna use what they're used in the book. We'll take away this one. Okay, so meme, and we add the fatha. Meme, again, meme is a soft letter. We don't say meme, we say meme, soft, just the lips touching. Meme, fatha, ma. Meme, kasra, mi, ma, mi. Meme, dhamma, mu, ma, mi, mu, ma, mi, mu. Again, we do not say ma, mi, mu. There will be mad, which is lesson 8. I'll go over this stuff, these words, this lesson with lesson 8 to show you the difference. This is ma, mi, mu. No mad whatsoever. Okay, so this is lesson 4. This is lesson 4, الحروف المتحركة, الحركات, which is the fatha, the kasra, and the dhamma. Assalamu alaikum.